The log normal distribution. The log normal distribution is just what it is. It is a continuous probability distribution whose logarithm is normally distributed. Some people also refer to it as Galton's distribution. An important thing about a log normal process is that a log normal process is always positive and real. So in terms of civil engineering, we use it to represent things like monthly rainfall or river discharge volumes. So you never have negative rainfall. You always have some value of positive rainfall. You either have rain or you have some amount of rain. You never have negative rain or water flying. Well, you do have water flying up into the sky in terms of evaporation, but you never have raindrops flying back up into the sky and turning into clouds. So if you look at the PDF of the log normal distribution, you'll see that it is almost exactly the same as the normal distribution, except you're taking the natural log of the random variable x. The log normal distribution is a tailed distribution. It's never negative. It starts at 0, and then it peaks, and then it trails off to positive infinity. So this is one of the first tailed distributions that we're going to talk about. Here is the CDF, and you'll see instead of having the normal distributions concave up, concave down form, you just have a little bit of concave up here and then a curve down. This also has the error function, and again, you're just taking the natural log of the random variable x. Now, one thing that's cool about the log normal distribution, so what you have here is a plot of the PDF of the log normal. You have a histogram of log normal data, but what I've done to go from the histogram of the log normal data is I've just taken the logarithm of the values. And then if you make a histogram of the logarithm of the values, you'll end up with something a histogram that is mostly normally distributed. So one nice thing about working with a log normal distribution, or log normal data, is that if you take the logarithm of the data, you can work with a normal distribution as opposed to a log normal distribution. This makes life very convenient to work with a log normal distribution. It's probably the easiest tail distribution that you want to work with.